Hi everyone. Mm, so, if you're someone who is always lost and not only lost but blank, someone who wants to do a lot of things but they just they feel paralyzed, as if their body is not moving, as if they want to do a lot of things but सडनली उनको लाइक 4-5 दिन बाद उनकी ऐसा लगता है कि वो दिन स्किप हो गए हैं. कब सुबह से शाम हो जाती है सोचते सोचते, पर वो बॉडी आप एक्शंस नहीं कर पाते हो. इफ़ यू आर समवन दैट इज स्टक इन दिस पैटर्न फॉर लाइक more than 2 years, like I've been stuck in this pattern for almost 5 years, and I'm at home. That's the worst part, because isolation, घर पे you're isolated because social जो gathering, nothing, you're doing nothing, you're just in your head, and it's worst, when you're not channelizing your energy in a productive way or in a positive direction, it just makes you feel stuck, and that's the root of, I think, depression. And I feel like I'm battling with this thing. Initially I used to get triggered a lot, like, oh no, I'm not doing good, I'm not doing something right, and after years, like it's been 5 years, this is the 5th year, and I feel like I'm getting numb to this feeling. Like I've accepted it, like my body is in an autopilot mode that तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. लाइक हर दिन शुरू होता है एक ही चीज़ करते हुए, डूम स्क्रोलिंग, ब्रेन फॉग, थिंकिंग. बट अब वो जो थिंकिंग होती है ना, आपकी जो एक वॉइस होती है आपके दिमाग में, जो आपको बार बार कॉन्शियसनेस की तरफ ढकेलती है कि नहीं, यू आर नॉट डूइंग राइट, यू शुड डू बेटर, यू शुड स्टडी, यू आर नॉट डूइंग समथिंग राइट, यू डूइंग रॉन्ग. वो वॉइस ना बहुत डिम होती जा रही है, मुझे लगता है मेरे दिमाग में. ओवर द टाइम वो वॉइस कम होती जा रही है, और आई थिंक अब तो मुझे सुननी भी बंद हो गई है. वो जो वॉइस है जो बस बंद होती जा रही है, मुझे डर है कि कभी वो बिल्कुल ही ख़त्म ना हो जाए, कहीं मैं इसी पैटर्न में स्टक ना रह जाऊँ हमेशा के लिए. एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट इज़ कि आप जानते हो यू कैन डू मच बेटर, दैट यू डिज़र्व मच 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 बेटर, दैट यू हैव पोटेंशियल, एंड यू आर नॉट यूजिंग that potential, and you never use that potential. That's the worst part, and that's a regret, because sometimes I feel that I can do much better. I'm in my car right now, because घर पे मैं ये सब बोल नहीं सकती या बोलना नहीं चाहती, और यहाँ पे जब मैं इस कार में एंटर हुई, I feel so good. I feel like myself. I don't know why I'm getting this feeling. I feel so good. I'm feeling so good, So I'm 28 and I'll turn 29 this year, and I don't want to be like this anymore. It's like हर साल मैं एक ही सिचुएशन में अटकी हुई हूँ और यहाँ से आगे मूव ही नहीं कर रही हूँ. It's painful, and मैं बस इस चीज़ को हटा दे रही हूँ डूम स्क्रॉल करके. लाइक मेरा फ़ोन का जो स्क्रीन टाइम होता है, that is 13 hours, 10 plus hours, like on average 10 plus hours, and it's just not good at all. And it's not like I'm addicted to phone. It's like I'm constantly neglecting the reality and constantly neglecting what is good for me and what I should do, constantly neglecting, because I know I have to put all these efforts, and kahin na kahin I think I'm afraid, what if I fail? And the funny thing is, I'm already failing by not doing this. But I'm still, scared of what if I fail. So I have this, perfect image, because of the perfectionist thing in my mind, that, oh, I have to do, whether like I'm obese, so whether the weight loss or whether clearing an examination or any exam, I have this image, the perfect image in my mind, and I'm scared that what if I do all that hard work and I'll not achieve what I have in my mind. That is what killing you, killing me actually. The perfectionist shit. I'm sorry for the background noise. The perfectionist thing. So is there say so that I won't feel bad or disappointed. Basically, I avoid all this work, all that work. So that is the thing. I'm just tired of being like this. I hate it. And the kind of personality I have. I have this personality जहाँ पे I can't listen shit about myself. I can't listen. I have this strong personality where I'm very vocal about my opinions, about my things. But because I'm obese, I am getting into the people pleasing thing, into not saying much, not taking too much space, doing opposite of what I am, what my personality is, what my real personality is. And because of that thing, because of being obese for like almost 12-13 years, like I've been healthy बचपन से ही, but not obese. So ये चीज़ क्या होता है कि मुझे कभी कभी लगता है कि I'm not being myself. मैं भूल गई हूँ अपने आप को कि मैं हूँ कौन. तो ये चीज़ है. So I'm considering, मैंने बहुत बार consider किया कि I should just open Instagram and YouTube and start my journey. Basically 2 चीज़ों के लिए. पहला accountability and accountability and अपनी growth देखना, अपनी growth को record करना, अपनी growth को witness करना. And second, because I know मेरे जैसे बहुत लोग होंगे इस situation में, and मुझे लगता है कि अगर मैं कर पाऊँगी इस चीज़ को तो वो भी कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि मैं इतनी बार स्टार्ट करके फेल हुई हूँ, इतनी बार कि मुझे याद भी नहीं है पिछले 10 सालों में. और एक और चीज़ की, क्योंकि मैं अब जो कंटेंट देखती हूँ लोगों का, जो आफ्टर वाला होता है कि जब वो उस पोजीशन में पहुँच चुके हैं जहाँ मुझे जाना है, तो आई कांट रिलेट विद देम. मैं रिलेट ही नहीं कर पाती हूँ कि मैं मतलब मुझे लगता है कि वो बहुत डिस्टेंट एक फीलिंग आ जाती है कि नहीं यार, नहीं हो रहा है रिलेट. दैट्स व्हाई ऑल्सो आई वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट दिस जर्नी. And one more thing, that currently I'm unemployed, like low esteem in my like bottom hit कर चुकी हूँ, unemployed, and 5 years मैं घर पे हूँ, underestimating myself every single time, low confidence, not disciplined at all, and almost lost my peak years, that youthful years, that the best years of my youth, and depressed. So, and also the obesity, it's killing me. So let's give it a new start. Like, I want to start, and I don't want to just quit. I can take break, but I will not quit. I will upload every day, single day, not a long video or something very burdensome, but definitely whatever I'm doing in my days. Like, I want to crack few examinations this year. I'm going to crack those examinations. I'll be my better self, like fitter than I am right now, and I'll be in a good mental condition, much more confident and disciplined, and with a good high self-esteem, and also my health. So I want to build myself up. I want to build myself into a perfect version. Like, perfect version doesn't mean that perfect look and perfect. No, the version that I'm being comfortable, like I'll be comfortable in, and I'll feel myself, like myself. I want to be like this. So if you're watching this, just start. Also, I want to do a government job, like any job, and I want to do content creation. ये चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में बहुत टाइम से है. So I'm starting my journey about being perfect and content and all. I'll see later. Right now I'll upload every day, and I'll witness my journey. I'll be accountable. And yes, if you're watching and if you are in the same condition like mine, just start with me. I feel and I think I'll be able to do this, and you too. So just start. Start. I know it's hard. because I'm in a situation, I know it's hard, but you have to. I don't feel cheerful, I don't feel joy in things because मैं उन चीज़ों से बहुत अलग जा चुकी हूँ अब. So I think you should start. So let's start together and be the best version of ourselves. Let's be. And so that's it for today. So this is day 0. Goodbye.